All right, we are down here at the outside condenser unit, and we've got 240, two 120 legs coming off the disconnect, L1, L2. And then we've got 1, 2, 3 in ground across the top. Ground comes off the disconnect as well, connects over there. From there, we're running number 1 black, number 2 white, number 3 is red for communication, and our ground. And then up on top, see if I can get some light up there. We've got the corresponding colors, black, white, red, green, going across. For some reason, this number 3 is on the front set of terminals, the red coming from the condenser. Not sure if that has anything to do with it or not. It might be for dual zone or something like that, so I might try and swap that and see what happens. Put you on pause here for a second and be back. All right, we are on the indoor head unit here. So we got our communication cable coming from the lower unit. The numbers are reversed up here, so we got black going to 1, white going to 2, 3 our comm, red wire coming in, and our ground. And then we hop up here, we got black coming off of black, white coming off of white, and red coming off of red, and our ground. Everything to me up here looks good. Voltage is verified at 240 between 1 and 2.